My friends are making some noise because they are of the place, but they are so excited because they too are going to visit this for the first time. It's not the longest, but the highest. Now we'll just see the bridge.
Very down.
Oh, it's a big risk, yeah? It's a big risk. I don't want to go in. We go in. Anyway, we should go till the water. Be careful of the nails. Oh, the bridge. Wow, cool. Oh my, it's dark. We can't see anything now. Wow. Can't see anything. Can you please put your torch up? Oh, nothing can be seen. There is a staircase here. A friend of mine is already climbing up. So cool inside. So cool. Yes, now I'm coming out. Wow, so cool in. My. Yes, I'm out now. Wonderful. Yeah. Woo. Okay.
Very short.
My friends are making some noise because they are of the place, but they are so excited because they too are going to visit this for the first time. I'm so blessed. I'll take you to the bottom side of the bridge first. Now we are crossing a bridge. There'll be some extra music. Yeah, here we go. Beautiful houses under the bridge. Now we are right under the bridge. Oh, we'll just see the bridge. Just look up here. It's not the highest parapet. Very high. Very high. The work is still going on. One day you should come and see the bridge. Cameraman, let's go inside. Oh, there's water. How do we go in? Anyway, we should go till the water. Be careful of the nails. Anyway. Oh, this is a big risk, yeah? It's a big risk. I don't want to go in. The bridge. Wow, cool! Oh my, it's dark, we can't see anything now. Wow, the sound! Oh, nothing can be seen. There is a staircase here. We have to climb. A friend of mine is already climbing up. This is the first. And as I've told, this is the highest. Can't see anything.
Oh, in between the you will be high.
Oh my, this one though, I think I'll never manage. Yes, now I'm coming out. Wow, so cool in. My. Yes, I'm out now. Now we'll take you to the bridge. We are about to move. A beautiful house on the bridge. Yes, it is written there. Kumji 2. Wishing you happy journey. We are almost approaching top of the bridge. And better road. It's constructed by the railways, I believe.
Yeah. Structured railway.
Okay, that's great. This is the tunnel. You'll have to come out of this tunnel and follow straight to the bridge here. I'll take you a little closer to the bridge. Big work is going on. Wow, see, Madam is climbing up. That's great. It's written, safety is not just a slogan, it is a way of life. So they're telling us not to go up. So here I climb up. Oh God, she must fall down. This is the bridge. We are not allowed to go ahead from here. I've showed you the bottom side now. This is the top part of the bridge. Top part of the bridge. Come on, let's go ahead. Now we shall see the beauty of the
Noney town.
Noney town. This is headquarters. This is the headquarters down below here. A beautiful place. Nice. I have been here for a couple of days. I really enjoyed my stay here. See the beautiful mountain over here. So once again, Noney, headquarters of the district, Noney town. It's a beautiful place. The Rungmei Naga people live here. It's in Manipur, northeast India. Yeah, I think that's the zoom cultivation over there. Yeah. Cameraman, can you just, yeah. There's some zoom cultivation over there. Oh my God, oh no, 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 no. No, no, no. Well, please come. Forward. The zoom cultivation here. We are going back after visiting the tallest Pier bridge in the world.
やめ